Here's a 2017 INFINITI Q50. The elevated design expression outside and artisan touches inside allow you to embrace forward motion unlike any other. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, external memory control, leather steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com highlights its many standard high-tech electronic and safety features. Driver-centric design puts you in the center of your automotive universe. Take it for a test drive today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.